Honey bun?
All right.
All right. Out in the old sunflowers. Get all of the motion. Just using one spinner and some flickers today. 13, 14, 15. Sounds good? Let's do that. All right, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another one. It's finally here. There it is. It's finally here, dove season. It's opening morning. I'm excited. I took the whole day off. I've never actually taken the whole day off before, and it should be a good one. We've got a handful of people out here. The goal is to get 100 birds down in like an hour and a half, but you know, we'll see how it all plays out. Did put out a spinner, which I'll show you here after a bit. Sitting over here against this Milo. We're hunting on sunflowers, and it's going to be good. I can feel it. Well, that's a good start. Had one land about 15 feet away. As you can see, or as you can't see, it's still really dark. We've got 6 minutes left. Sorry, it's early enough for math is a struggle for me. It's time! It is shooting light! Go ahead and load her up. And now we need a bird. There she is. Coming behind you. Too busy waiting for him to get his shot. I didn't even take the one I could have. All right, we'll sit down and shoot. I think you guys can see now, right? I can kind of see. Hey, first one's a win. Oh, yes. Here we go. First one of the season. Nice big adult, banded. Yep, nope. One of these days I'll get that holy grail. All right. Oh, couple more coming behind. Should have. Get him. There we go. Oh, I should have shot you too. And yeah, but now I took my eyes off this spot. Oh, where are you, buddy? This is why I wasn't gonna shoot twice, is because you lose them so fast in this stuff. It's incredible how well they blend in with the ground here. There he is. He's just a little guy. Oh, that thing is tiny. Tiny, tiny. Hi. Oh, here comes one. There goes one. I was gonna pull. Yeah, if they break that skyline, they're really hard to see. Well, there's a miss. Things are heating up. Dead. Dead! He's dead! Woohoo! 2 misses! Did I not lead him enough? What happened there? Well, I went from 2 for 2 to 2 to 5. That is not good. Am I shouldering wrong? I might be shouldering wrong. Let's see if that fixes it. Well, that helped. There's one more. Am I bumping the gun? I hope I'm actually recording instead of just being too excited to actually make, you know, decent content. So, sorry if it's not right. Here comes a couple. Oh, that was terrible. He stalled out on me. Man, I am shooting way below par. This is terrible. These birds have no idea what's going on. What is up with me? Probably not enough lead. Probably not enough lead. Oh well, feels good to get out and shoot. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Nah, we can do better than that. Hey! Now if I can find both of them. Oh, hi bud. Okay, one was right here. Which he's belly up, that makes it easy. And the other one's right here. Sweet. That is not him. That is a piece of trash. Well, let's see. See if we can find him. That's why I typically don't shoot doubles in sunflowers, but with it being cut, I thought maybe I could. Didn't find it, but we'll see if we can get a couple more down, and then we'll find that one after all. We're still gonna count it, obviously. We need to get a limit before the sun pops up. I have not hunted this way in a while. This is the first time in a very long time that I've done like a firing line style with a bunch of dudes. Typically I just kind of march out, do my own thing, find a spot in the field, let them come to me. I want to try something different for opener, so that's what we're doing today. Are you behind them? Dad nabbit. That's worth a thumbs up, isn't it? Hey, we're halfway to a limit. That's 7. All right, see Mr. Flapper out there, and there's this one here. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll stumble across the other one I'm still looking for. There we go, 2 more. Oh, I missed. Where'd that shell go? There it is. Oh, the old TriStar didn't feed that one. Oh. There we go. No tail. There's just so many birds. There we go. 9. 9, 9, 9. Oh my goodness. That last one was a little one. But today, got the good old Gen 4 shot cam. When this comes out, I think those are still on sale. Go pick one up, they're like 150 bucks off. Links in the description. Shooting the TriStar. I actually decided to shoot a 20 gauge last night about 10 o'clock. Switched up everything. Oh my word, I was walking back from picking up my camera and the flock of 10 flew in. Oh well, there will be more. Oh, I clipped that one for sure. Oh, one flew. Was that him? Oh. Oh, don't knock down the Milo. Keep an eye on my spot. Oh, there's birds coming for me and I can see them on my peripheral. All right, should be right here. There he is. There we go. Let's go get some more. There's number 11 though. Well, the sun's just starting to peak up. Here in a little bit we should go walk and see how everyone else is doing. There's a big group of them coming across the field here. What? Okay, there we go. Man, there's so many birds in the air. This is awesome. All right, bird number 12. Was right. You're not where I marked you. Where I marked you was over here. Is this the one? Yep. This is that one I lost earlier. Here we go. Now we got everything accounted for. Sweet. Nah, don't feel like walking over there. That's over in A5's lane. Get it. Boy, everyone should be limited with the way that everyone's been shooting. My buddy's right there. I don't want to shoot at him. Ah, here come a couple. I'm just gonna. Oh, I didn't see him. No, 3 more. 4. Well, we'll just take 1. 13. I'm kind of actually disappointed because it's almost over. I can only shoot 2 more. But I'm so pumped. I mean, sun's finally up. Hopefully the footage at the beginning will be worth the crap. Good time so far. All right, 1 more bird to go. You know, been watching everyone just, I mean, there's huge flocks of like 10 to 20 just crossing this whole edge non-stop. But I did get my bird. I got 1 more to go. let's go see how everyone else is doing. Actually, I think I only have one shell in my gun. Put that there. Go get this one. There we are. No, we're not playing this game. Hey. Well, now we have to go see how everyone else is doing. We are empty. I need another battery before we go talk to people. I don't need the backpack. By the way, this chair, for more than just a A-frame chair, this thing is so comfy. Skylar actually uses his for, you know, sit in the living room. Huh. Anyway, this new backpack, shell bag, all the good old dive bomb stuff. Anyway, let's go talk to people. Down here with Mr. A5. How's it going today?
It's a beautiful September 1st.
Yeah, this
start of the hunting season. For the next 6 months, it's all about putting things on the ground.
Yes, sir.
We're watching Jordan do it anyway.
Well, you know, team effort.
That's right.
What are we shooting today?
Shooting Stoker 20 gauge. Just picked this up this week.
I was gonna say that's brand new.
Yep.
So far?
She's functioning better than I am, so but we're still gonna give her a go.
But I mean, brand new, hasn't been broke in, still firing perfectly.
Yeah.
Sweet. Right on.
I want to record you recording me recording you.
Well, that's awesome.
Well, you know.
It's like fourth wall break. How many birds you got?
Do I have to say?
No.
5.
Said 15. Sweet.
15.
Well, good luck, and we'll be back.
Alrighty.
So A5 shooting a 20 gauge also. Let's go talk to Bennett, see what he's up to. You're supposed to shoot him before the sun comes up.
I know, I'm trying.
There's one.
Got it.
More lead. Yeah. So, Mr. Bennett.
Hi.
How's your day going?
Wonderfully.
Wonderfully.
If I can hit them. I think I've got 10 down.
10 down.
5 to go.
Huh?
With about that many shells left.
Shooting 20 or 12?
20.
20. If you need more shells, I have some left over. So, and I have some
With
back in the
the way
truck.
I shoot, I might need them.
All right. Well, let me know. I'll be sure to go get them for you.
Close.
What are you shooting today?
Brand new TriStar.
Brand new. Hey, I'll shoot my TriStar too.
I'll give that a try.
Gooses.
I got
Oh, man.
Oh,
I'm not gonna say what that does to me.
I can't either. We all know what it does to me.
Anyway, yeah. There's more people down the line.
Oh yeah.
What?
Skylar's down there and a couple more, I think.
Heck yeah. Well, we'll go talk to them. We'll be back. There's a group of like 8 coming. Mr. Skylar, how you doing today?
Pretty good.
Good,
Got
good.
Seven birds with about a box of shells. So, you know, it's opening day, so.
Oh. But plenty of birds to go around, hopefully.
Oh yeah.
Who was
At the end of the line, so
Oh, I don't.
getting a
I'm
little
trying to remember the last time I hunted a line. Like, it's been a long time.
yeah.
What you shooting today?
Impala Plus with just a straight Impala modified choke.
Right on. Got
Probably
the old
should-
shot cam on there.
A little shot cam.
Greasy footage. Oh, behind you. He's gonna come over me. I'm down.
Got him.
Nail it. Well, while he gets him, let's go talk to David.
Morning, good sir.
Good morning. How's it going, Mr. David?
You know, lots of shots, not a lot of birds, but that's typical for me.
Hey, but are you having fun?
Oh yeah, having a blast.
That's the point here. How many birds you got?
I got 6 so far.
6?
Yeah.
And what are you shooting today?
Got a Maverick 88.
A Maverick 88?
Oh yeah, the old
Don't
Academy
see a
spec.
lot of that.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Awesome. Well, you guys haven't seen David a whole lot, but he came out with me opener last year too.
did.
So
Yeah.
we're out here having fun.
Blast.
Let's go check out the other side. Is Josh down there? So?
Nope.
No.
We're in the line.
All right. Well, we're gonna go check out the other side of the field real quick. Good luck, and I'm sure I'll be back around.
All right, thank you.
Oh, right at the sun. What's up, dude?
Just look at the pile. Don't look at the pile.
Don't look at this pile. Just look at that pile.
That pile.
Well, heck yeah. How many at?
11.
11. What are you shooting today?
20 gauge.
20 gauge.
870.
The old 870 Express. Heck yeah. Well,
I'm shooting it.
Do what?
For a year and a half, first time shooting.
Heck yeah. Right on. You got 4 more to go. You guys have had a lot of birds over this way.
It's been crazy. Flocks are like 20, 30.
Kind of hard to pick one at that point.
It's retarded.
Woo! There's the whole pump gang down this side. Got a stack. Well, Mr. Greg,
Hello.
you having a good time?
Absolutely.
Yeah? How many at?
I believe 12.
12. Heck yeah. What are you shooting today?
Remington 870 Express.
Another Express. Heck yeah. Been the pump side on this. There's a Maverick 88 over on that side. Otherwise, you and Maddie are the only ones that are shooting pumps today.
We're cheap.
Hey, but effective. They don't fail.
That's right.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the rest of the birds.
All right, we'll do.
Oh, that guy is so done. Right in the sun. Dead. Heck yeah.
15.
Woohoo! We got a limit here. So you just went ahead and smashed out your final bird there.
Got that final one. Jordan was my good luck, just hanging around here. The sun's getting bright.
Dude,
but
that sun's no joke, especially with the poor guys on that side. Oh,
I bet.
Staring right into it. So is there gonna be a lot of greasy footage there?
I hope so.
That's
I
gonna
did my
be-
best to make sure I hit it hard enough, man. So
That footage is gonna be on the Patreon though.
yeah, for
'Cause
sure.
In case you guys don't know, Josh and I and Ben
Ben's not here.
likes not to be here
hold on
guy.
here.
But
Ben
it,
likes to be in Canada, guy.
yeah, Ben likes being a Canada guy. We all have a podcast together on Patreon, and there'll be a video or two popping up now and then. We don't have a lot of them, but we're
Yeah.
working on it.
We're
But
doing it. And,
yeah. What's the gun before I forget?
oh, it is an Impala Plus.
Another Impala Plus out here.
It's beautiful.
Heck yeah.
Shoots nice.
Look at this. 116. 4 birds shy of the big limit out. Well, that's a pretty good day. Everyone have a good day?
Oh yeah.
It's a pretty good morning. We're pretty much everyone was limited. Pretty much everyone was limited out by 8,
Yeah.
something like that. It was quick. Anyway, we'll talk to you in a bit. We'll be making them poppers. So, well, these we could just call wraps. They are seasoned dove with either a banana pepper. We got jalapeno. We got pineapple. Obviously wrapped in bacon. This is what we're gonna be trying. We're making Philly cheesesteak dove. Never done that before. I'm excited for it. We'll see how it pans out. Got the poppers going already. Okay. Do I dare touch this with my hands?
Yeah, it's fine.
Full pan. As soon as those are done, we're gonna try those Philly cheesesteak dub wraps. Philly cheesesteak dub sandwiches. I don't know. We got the Hawaiian King rolls because they're gonna be good regardless. I got the sweet and the savory. We'll see how it all plays out. Either way, I'm excited. Well, the poppers are done. We'll see how people react to those here in a second. But we got the veggies on because I'm afraid that the dove is gonna cook too fast for how quick we want it to be done. So we're getting a good fry on these with the mushrooms, peppers, and onions, and then we'll dump the dove in. So here we go. What is it?
It is a popper with a pineapple, pepperoni, and bacon and dove.
They brought the cheap Hormel bacon.
No like you. Good though? Yeah?
Very good.
Yeah? So we're still waiting on the veggies here. What are you grabbing?
Pineapple, bacon, dove.
Pineapple. I haven't tried that one yet. I'm excited about it though.
You better hurry before they're gone. Not neither.
Worth it.
Look what I can't speak.
What does the Bennett say?
Oh, he's just gonna go here.
What,
Which
just
is the
the
jalapeno.
straight up jalapeno.
Yeah, gotcha.
Typical. Standard. Worth it. I'm excited. But what did you have?
Same.
Yep. The old jalapeno. Yeah. Has anyone hit a hot one yet? No.
Hopefully
Someone
I do.
will. But
I love a good hot one.
what's this one? Same.
Yeah.
The old jalapeno.
Ham, jalapeno, bacon, and dove.
You want one, Theo? It's like nah.
Maybe next year.
Worth it?
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Got a little heat.
A little bit?
A little bit.
Good. Well, where's one of those ones with the bacon, jalapeno, and pineapple? There's one. As advertised. Do that. That is good. Set that there.
Good job cooking.
That is fabulous. We'll have more stuff here coming up in a second. But I gotta finish enjoying all this stuff. Anyway, see you in a bit. All right, just dropped the dove on here. We just want to get him a good medium rare, medium well, not medium well, medium. Nothing past medium. Get these going here, and then we're gonna throw them on buns with peppers and stuff like that. We got cheese, and we'll see if this is actually good or not. We should season a little bit. Don't grab the seasoning. Not a lot. Just give it a little love. Because I forgot just salt and pepper. That'll work. Sweet. All right. Oh, you're close. Get this stuff flipped, pull the buns, drop the meat on it, drop the veggies on it, throw some cheese, and then we'll see. Might have a new favorite. I mean, I like fajitas, which is pretty much the same ingredients with a tortilla instead, but you know, we'll see. So let's throw a set of the buns there, and a set of buns there. Yes, that sure. Let's go ahead and put a nice little layer of the doves.
That's definitely a layer.
It's a layer.
4 layers.
Hey, it's still a layer. Bunch of the veggies. I like veggies. If people don't like it, they can pick it off. They'll figure it out. Shut up! There we go.
Where's your cheese?
Cheese over here. We've got pepper jack and American Swiss. I don't care which one we do. We'll layer that, but we need to get this off just so it doesn't cook too much. Like make sure there is cheese.
There's
I mean,
two
you can call
layers
that
or
good
what?
if you want. If you think we need more cheese, let's do. I mean, it is a Philly cheese steak. I mean, what do you guys think? More? No.
Hurt.
I mean, pick it off if you don't like it. We'll figure it out.
Awesome. I remember watching
That.
Mealtime with Cade and everybody
And
back in the day.
that. All right, we're gonna let it melt just a little bit. We'll dig in. All right, let's try that. I just gotta be selfish. I gotta try one.
Okay.
Because I'm excited. I've never tried this before. I'm legit super excited. If it had been overcooked, I think it would be that great. But this is fire. That is so good. I'm anxious to see what you guys think. You gotta try this too. It's so good. I still got half to go, but
That right there.
try these things. You were there the night that we decided to do this. Isn't that freaking good?
Dude, that's pretty good.
You don't taste the dove at all.
No, you don't.
The cheese, the peppers, the onions. No? Yeah? Yeah?
That's very good.
I could do that.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I don't know that I make it better than fajitas because I'm a fajita fan, but that's
That's the next thing we ought to try. Fajitas.
We'll do fajitas next time. This is good though. This is real good. What do you think? It's cheesy, which is how it's supposed to be.
I don't know. It doesn't get much better than that.
That's good.
It doesn't get much better than Dove.
I'm excited. Wait. I see you're struggling to get all into the mouth, so I had to see what you were thinking. Worth it?
Really good.
It was kind of your idea, so I had to make sure that I at least gave you your flowers here.
Really, really good.
Honestly, I'm struggling because I still got half a sandwich in my hand and I'm trying to talk to people at the same time. I'm not sure it's worth it. Appreciate it. We're gonna eat. This is delicious. We'll talk to you guys later.